In this video we learn how to write basic mathematics symbols. Plus, positive. Minus, negative. Times, multiply. Divide. Equality. Inequality. Approximately equal. Plus or minus. Is less than. Is less than or equal to. Is greater than. Is greater than or equal to. Infinity. Factorial. Empty set. Percent. Pi. Therefore. Because. Sum of. Integral. Absolute value of x. Is similar to. Is parallel to. Parentheses. Brackets. Square root. Alpha. Beta. Is congruent to. For all. There exists. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to press the bell icon.